Hey everyone, today I have a couple of exercises on jaw mobility. So these are going to be things just to help you move your jaw a little bit more smoothly. Why would you want to do that, you ask? Well, your jaw, if we think about it in evolutionary terms, it was one of the earliest things that you developed. So even fish had to develop something so that they could start breaking apart the things that they were eating in order to get fuel to survive. So your jaw actually evolved quite closely along with the spine, as well as the inner ear and your tongue. And keeping it mobile, having it a jaw that moves nicely, can help improve those connections and actually can play a role in core stability as well. So having a mobile jaw actually might affect your movement performance, even though it doesn't initially seem like it. So the exercises you're going to do, we've got a kind of isometric one and an active ones. For some people, moving their jaw in different ways is actually quite difficult, apart from the regular up and down chewing way. So if that's the case for you, what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand to one side, and then you're just going to try and push your jaw over the other way. You're not going to let it happen, so I'm just going to push and resist. What that's going to do is it's going to start simulating the action of my jaw moving the opposite direction. So I can do that both directions. I can also push back. It's a little harder to pull forward, but the pushing back left and right, a good idea. Also, I can do it up and down. So I can pound my hand and press down and just have it moving all directions. Once you get kind of good at this, or if you can do that already, the next stage is just to move all the different directions with your jaw actually moving this time. So I'm going to go left and right, so a little harder to see, but I'm going to go forward and back. And if those all work, I can also perform them in circles as well. So you can go left, forward, right, back. That way around and the other way around. So there you go. Improve your core stability. Try it out. See how mobile your jaw already is and see if you can improve it. Let me know how you get on with that if you have any questions or comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.